So if they will carry food, too much food from home, they are not gonna have it. Hello. Good morning.
Hello, Sonia. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. This is the last session for this subscription.
Yes.
Will you be renewing?
No.
I thought so.
Yeah.
How is currently? Where are you? In Kathmandu or
Yes.
in Nepal or in?
In Kathmandu. Yeah.
Are things very expensive in Nepal?
Yes. They are.
I don't know why I'm asking this question to you because when a few years ago there was this person who used to wash my car, and he told me that he was talking about motorcycles. So he said that a motorcycle which in India is for let's say 1 lakh, that very same thing in Nepal is must be for 2.5 or 2 lakhs, maybe 2.5.
Yes. It is true.
Even even cars, same
Everything.
similar. What is the reason for this expense?
In Kathmandu, it's more expensive because of transportation.
So how do you guys
It's
move
difficult
around?
to travel between mountains, no? So they
So how do you
charge,
guys? No, go on, go on.
yeah. And things come from India, so it became expensive too.
It becomes
From
expensive,
China
taxes.
and in from India.
So people of Nepal, what is the primary source of income? Or what is what things what mostly people do?
I think it's just tourism.
Tourism.
Yeah. Now they are into businesses.
Hmm.
Nepali boys.
Nepali
Nepali,
boys.
yeah, because when I came here, when I was in fifth standard, so I have seen boys doing nothing. Yes,
How nothing? Kuch to, as in
they
they
were
must be
just
doing
like
something.
sitting uh, on their bed and watching TV.
Are
But
you
girls,
serious?
women used to work
Women,
hard.
not women's, women.
Women used to work hard there.
Not women's, women.
Women,
One
also sorry,
woman, many
women,
women.
women, yeah,
Uh,
get it.
uh.
So they work, they manage home, and they have to give money to their husbands so they can drink.
Huh? Are you
Yeah.
serious?
I don't know, but I have seen these kind of people.
Okay. I don't know what to say.
In every shop, I have seen girls, sales girls, and on grocery stores,
In grocery stores.
and they don't need a license for alcohol. They sell alcohol in grocery store too.
Legally or
Yes,
illegally?
it's legal. That's why they can sell, right? I have heard that in a caste, they
In a caste.
caste or maybe some people,
Huh.
when their child born,
Okay.
first they give them uh, I don't remember the name, but it's kind of alcohol made by
Huh?
rice. Yes.
But for the I don't know if it makes a difference also or not.
They make it at home.
Huh? No, what I'm wondering for the child if this makes any difference or not, like that.
I don't know, but they are very open with family, so they can sit and drink with family.
Could be.
What what it called when we drink too much?
We drink too much.
Nahi, what we become?
Drunk.
Drunk.
No. Wait. Not necessary if you drink too much. For example, some people can get drunk even if they are even in very less small quantity. For example, I have never drank alcohol. I never drank. The strongest possibility if I ever drink, I'll get drunk.
Uh, I want to say that they'll have less. Not like people, they can't drunk at home, and when they have an opportunity to drink with their friends
Drink.
and also, huh? So
I
drink,
think what you want to
and
say
they
is
have how much they can.
they drink as much as they want to, or they
Yes,
drink without any limit.
and they can't control themselves.
Ah,
So
themselves. Okay.
yeah, it's difference here. So they
Ah,
don't have to drink a lot.
ah.
Yeah.
So getting drunk is, I think on every person how much they can manage, how much their body can take. So a
So I
person
think
who
they can
drinks
build up their
regularly,
capacity too.
ah, if a person who drinks regularly, then that person would not get drunk easily because they have their body has developed a how to I'm not getting the word right now. The body has developed that in them to not get drunk easily. But some people get drunk like this
Because they are not used to it.
because they're not used to it. Absolutely right.
Mm. And say,
So what about even liquor is expensive in Nepal?
I don't know much, but I think it is.
It is.
Yeah.
So in Mumbai, liquor I think is on par.
Manufacturing is less here. That's why it's
So what is produced in Nepal? What is produced? Any crops?
rice,
Rice. So
maize,
rice must be maize.
corn.
Okay. Okay. So rice, maize, and corn must be cheap.
Yeah, they have qualities, right?
Quality. Okay.
Yeah.
What about livestock?
And they have green leaf vegetables.
Green leaf,
Leaf, leaf,
green vegetables. Or you can
green
also say
vegetables.
green leafy vegetables.
Yeah, more.
Okay.
And they grow vegetables at their home. Most of them
They grow
in their
vegetables
home,
at home would be better.
at home. Yeah.
At their home would also be right, yeah.
Yeah.
So in Kathmandu, because Kathmandu I'm assuming is the largest city of Nepal, do you guys have tall buildings or it's houses and maybe one or two floors?
Two floors. One or two floors. That's it.
So nice. You can see the sky.
We can see mountains also.
So right now this is my balcony. I'll show to you. This is my view. Do you see that?
Yes.
Do you see the tall buildings?
Yes.
That is so if you're a person who likes nature, then staying in a city becomes a huge challenge.
That's right. They all love I have seen every house they have plants and flowers, plant and vegetables. They love nature, I think. In
Yes.
balconies, in
Balcony.
on rooftop balcony. Yeah.
Ah, balconies, yes. Most of us have.
But it's difficult to ride uh, bicycles and drive here.
In Nepal,
because
why?
yeah, streets and roads are very uh congested.
Okay.
Yeah,
How's your son?
he's good playing with his friend.
Ah.
Yeah,
What about schooling? Is schooling expensive? Is education expensive? No?
too expensive.
Yeah.
For Indian schools, we have to pay so much money.
Huh?
Yes,
Ooh.
and they give food too, lunch too.
Oh, yeah, so
So
good
we have
food?
to pay for lunch also.
Or and what if you don't want food?
No, it's not. It's necessary. They
But
all
I'll give food
have
to my child, na?
same food. Divyam is taking his lunch box with him. So
Ah.
he will have his lunch, breakfast on 10:30, and then
At 10:30.
at 10:30, and then he will have lunch at school at 12 o'clock. So
But I want to give lunch to my own child, na? My
lunch
lunch.
is same for everyone. They will
But
ask
why?
you. It's their
Money
policy.
making, money making, money
Yes,
making, money making.
but yeah, kids having
It's a obvious
good,
it's very obvious ploy of them to make more money.
yes, of course. And this is we give them healthy food, and like small kids going to school at 8 and coming back at 2. So if they will carry food, too much food from home, they are not gonna have it.
But Sonia, this is what I'm thinking. When you and I were young, we used to take food from home.
We used to have only one time, na?
But we would have breakfast at home, no?
Yes.
I don't know. I'm not okay with this idea because first of all, it's an obvious thing that it's a ploy to make more money. Second, what difference does it make if people are eating different foods? What difference does it make? I
They
see your
will
food, I like it. I ask you
they
to
are
share. I
having
eat.
different foods. They carry different food because in breakfast they have their own lunch box.
In breakfast, they have their own breakfast, not lunch.
Breakfast,
Lunch box is different.
lunch. Yeah, sorry.
I
Well, but
understand.
they, I didn't think
I
if
don't.
we
I'm not.
gave,
I don't like this concept. Not a
yeah,
good
it
concept.
is it's
Nah,
like
what
if
it is, what it
we
is.
pay them 25,000 in a
Hmm.
month for
Hmm.
everything. So
Hmm.
what we think, like 5,000 is okay if they are providing lunch, a hot lunch at school. You will or you will not tell me.
What? It is nice, or it is nice. I understand this. It is a very obvious ploy to make more money, no? You're earning 10 rupees. Example,
We
you're
don't
earning 10
know
rupees.
exactly how much
It
they are
seems
taking. Is it they are benefiting or not? We don't know now.
it seems like an obvious ploy to make more money. I don't know. This is what this is
Yeah,
what my
they
opinion
are
is.
have yeah. Their regular fee is very expensive. If we skip the lunch, it's already they make money with that. But I have seen the director of Divyam school.
Hmm.
She's very connected to kids. Like I have seen she was tying a kid's shoelaces.
Ah,
Yeah, and I was impressed. And she get emotional when they perform. Small kids, I have seen her, like she gets emotional and start crying. And she's like 75 now, 75 or
oh,
76. So yeah.
okay. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, they are making money, but we don't know their sites, so can't judge them.
I
And Divyam's yearly school fees 5 lakhs
क्या
total.
बात करते? Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you serious?
Almost Nepali, not Indian.
Wait, I'm converting Nepali rupee to INR.
Divided with 1.6.
Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs.
With everything, transportation, food.
You know what it comes to in Indian rupees?
Yes. We want to shift India.
You want to move to India.
Yeah. Move to India.
Comes to 3 lakhs 14,000.
Yeah. And now he wants to take sports class coaching at school. After school for 2 days in a week and for 2 hours a day.
Education has become a business. My mother used to say this, that
Yes.
education has become a business. And it's unfortunately very true.
Yeah, it is.
In fact, I know some people who say they don't want children because of this reason. Education is so
It's true
expensive.
too.
Ah,
I have one. If I have to think about other second one, so I have to think 10 lakhs per month, 10 lakhs per year for only school. Oh my god.
I think two couples should get together and raise two children. हो गए दो बच्चे. Very nice. We have spoken as usual, Sonia. Absolutely no problem with that. I never have any concerns with the way you speak. Very, very good, wonderful. Pronunciations here and there, sentence structure here and there, but you're speaking well. Since you're leaving, work a bit on your vocabulary. Listen to people speak, watch shows, do whatever, whatever, whatever. But mostly, the biggest thing is which you can do is watch movies, shows
I
in
watch
English.
shows and
Very good.
but I can understand words.
Listen to what words they're using, the pronunciations which they use. Do that.
But I don't use that in my sentence.
Speak with people. That's also what you need to do. You can't simply be listening and not doing anything about it. You need to also speak with people.
With
If you're not
whom?
speaking with people, it's not going to be helpful. You need to speak with people.